Welcome traders. Here is a update about what's happening in Nifty, and I think again, uh, if you are following our channel, then this is just a wonderful fall that we have predicted a priori with proper setup. Whenever this price action was forming, I have mentioned that it is going to be a triangle and then a C wave collapse will happen, and market exactly given this fall from the exact resistance point. See, this is the resistance point I have given you in the previous video. If you can check it out, then you will be convinced that we have given this fall and with exact date also, right? Okay, having these in mind, now what's cooking up in the market? Let's try to analyze. And for that, what we have to consider, right? Okay. So here, see, we have expected this fall towards this area, right? Towards this, okay? So this is 1, 2, and this is 3, and then, so wave C is composed of 5 wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the structure of wave C, and for that wave C, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this whole thing is wave 3, and we are in a wave 4 pullback. So for that case, the immediate resistance is 25,000 to 25,127. This is the immediate resistance. The market should reverse from here, and these how these corrections should unfold. This should unfold like A, B, C, and then another low minimum towards this point. Okay, that is 24,400 to 24,300. This level. This is the temporary support for the market. Why I'm calling it a temporary support? Because the bigger structure, these I've discussed you that this is an X wave and Y wave to follow, and for that Y is composed of ABC. Okay, now ABC, so Y should composed of ABC. This is the structure of Y wave. Okay, now see, for that wave A can be wave A. There are two structure of wave A. That is, wave A may be an impulsive wave, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this B wave comes, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete C. So this is the basic structure. Okay, this is the first structure of wave A. Wave A can be of 5 wave, or wave A can be of 3 wave 2. That is of this form. That is A, B, C to complete wave A, then B wave pullback will happen, and then another 5 wave, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete wave C. Okay, so it may happen. The first probability that the correction may be over on this zone. Okay, and we will start a fresh wave 3 move of this wave 5. Okay, this is the first probability. Secondly, that this ABC is the first wave A. that is this 3-wave move. Then a B wave pullback should come, and then another C may follow. Okay, so this is the future probability of the market, and for that case, 6th March is a very important date. Okay, I am marking it in the chart so that you can follow. 6th March is a very important date for the market, and what may happen that these wave 4 may end tomorrow, and then will again slide down for wave 5. Okay, and after that, market should bounce. Okay, from here we will have a good bounce. Okay, and depending on the structure of this bounce and character of this bounce, we can predict, or we can assume that what's happening in the market, that the market may have completed the correction and we are going to go higher. So this depends on these bounce. Okay, that we will analyze in upcoming videos. First, there should be a up move that is here, and then another downside, and then we can bounce. So this is the probability, and for that case, the immediate support and resistance I have mentioned mentioned you, and also with the important time cycle date. Okay, so if you get the price in this zone within this time period, and if we get a bounce, then we may assume that this short-term bottom is done in Nifty. Okay, so, and there is also important clue, because this should be the last wave, because whenever triangle comes, then this move is the last move in the same direction. So let's see what unfolds in the market. The general sentiment of the market is very weak, but you should buy the weakness and sell the strength. Okay, that's our purpose. And also see the Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index, again, see, we have expected these support, this fall, and Bank Nifty given this fall today itself and bounce from here, and there may be another downside to complete this Y wave. So in any case, more downside is left in the markets, and also in the mid cap. See, where is the mid cap? Yeah, there it is. In the mid cap also, there is another chance of downside. Okay, this is the mid cap wave count, and see, this is wave A, this is B, and this support zone, the mid cap index should target to end the correction. Okay, that is, these wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 should follow. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you are doing great in the market, and trade safe. Thank you.